welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about operators in Python. So let's get started. So now let's see the operators. So first, there are 7 operators in Python. First one is arithmetic, relational, assignment operator, logical, bitwise, membership and identical. So here the membership and identical are two special operators. So the first one is arithmetic operators. So here we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential and floor division. So for the first one, let's see, it adds the two values. So addition between two values or more than two values we can do. Next is subtraction. So subtracts the right operand from the left operand. Here multiplication is performed, the asterisk symbol is given, and slash is for division, that is a by b. If you want to give, you have to give a slash b. Here percentage symbol, which gives you the remainder, or it is also known as modulus. If you can see here, it is also known as modulus. So here what it gives means when you divide, whatever the remainder is left, it returns the remainder value. So here we have two important notes for the modulus operator, that if denominator is greater than numerator, then the answer will be directly the numerator. I will show this practically. And next one is next is, if in numerator or denominator you have floating values, then it is a invalid. Next is exponential, which is double asterisk, which is used to find the power of the value. Like if you want 3 power 5, so 3 double star 5 you will use. Next is the double slash, which is also known as floor division. So it rounds up the decimal number and gives you the integer number. If you divide 11 by 2, like that, 5.2 you will get. So it rounds up the 0.2 value and it will give you the 5. So let's see these operators now in the Jupyter notebook. Let's see. So here I have taken two operands, that is a is equals to 20 and b is equals to 10. Now let's perform an addition. So a plus b. Let's print a plus b. It's 30. Now let's do subtraction. Okay. So yeah, here print a minus b. You got 10. Next, let's do the multiplication. So here multiplication, the symbol is asterisk. Yes, we saw this. So here the symbol is asterisk. So let's do that. So print, your product is a asterisk b, right? I didn't click copy. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you got 200. Next, let's do division, which is followed by a slash. So division. So let's print. Now print a slash b. So the division, it has given into floating value, that is 2. So 20 divided by 10, it will be 2. So next, let's see. I will print here only so that I can see. I just take this value here. Okay. Yeah. So here there is modulus, right? So here there is the next one is the modulus. Let's perform that also. So here print, the remainder is, the remainder is a mod b. The remainder is 0. If I change the value, like from, if I give here 15, now let's see the value. The remainder is 5. So like that you can see the remainder. So let's check the two conditions also. Like if the denominator is greater than numerator. Let's give denominator greater now. I'll give you the both. So the first notice, if the denominator is greater than the numerator, the answer will be the numerator itself. So let's check out. So I will just interchange this, like I will give this 15 and I will give here 20. So here the numerator is the 15 and this is the denominator. So what we have to get the answer? Numerator. So the answer will be 15. So let's check. Yeah, we got the answer 15. So if the denominator is greater than numerator, the answer will be the numerator. Now let's check the another condition, which is if we have floating values in denominator or the numerator, what will we get? So I will just give 0.8. Okay, just run this. you got 15.8. And the division, it means that the division is not happening. It's returning whatever the value you're giving, it's the same. So if I will just give it the same 3.5, let's take, and let's take here 5, something like 5. You got 3.5. So let's take here 4 and here 5.4. Let's take, you got 4.7. So there are, the answers are invalid here in modulus. If you do with your like hand mathematical equations, if you do, then you will get the another answers. So here it is not valid because it's giving you the same answer whichever it is given in the numerator. So that is not valid. So here it is used. Next is the double asterisk, which is used to find the power of the value. Let's take again power print, power of power of yes. So ye power, let's give ye double asterisk. Let's take, I want 2. So you have to, you will get the answer as 16 because here ye value is 4, and if you have square of 4 it will be 16. So let's do that. It is 60. So I will take, again I will take the same values, the before values which we were having, that is 20. So 20 and 10. So now I will run this. So oh, okay, now we have changed. Let's do this and then this. You will get 400. So the square of 220 is 400. Now let's do another, which is floor division. Yes, let's do this. Something like 2. And here I'm taking 6. Here I'm taking 6. Then what will happen? You will get 3 answers. Yes, you will get 3. If I'm taking here 7, so it will be 3.5, something like that. But you will get only 3 because it has rounded off the decimal point. So if you give here only the single slash, which is division, it will give you 3.5. So when you have given this double slash, it has changed into floor division. It rounded off the value and give you the normal integer value rather than float value. So this was about the arithmetic operators. Now let's see the second one, which is relational operators. So there is double equal to, exclamation mark, and equal to, greater than, less than, both less than, greater than, and greater than and less than. So let's see all of this. So here relational operators. So here relational operators are generally used to see the relation between two operands, like it is greater than or less than, like that. It compares the values. So relational operators are used for comparing. So let's take again A and B. I will take A as 13, okay, and B equals to 33, okay. So the first one is double equals to. Let's see this. So is double, if is A equals to B? No, it gave you false. So it returns true or false according to the condition or what we have provided. So is A equals to B? No, so it gave you false. Now let's check the another condition, is not equals to. So yeah, 13 is not equals to 33. So it will give you now true. So it is true. Now let's check another operator, that is greater than. Is A greater than B? 13 is greater than B? 33? No. So is A greater than B? It will give you false. Now if A is greater, smaller, lesser, it's true. Now let's take now equals to and greater than, less than, and equal to. So let's check that also. So let's take the same values here because again we'll be not able to see them. Let's scroll it. So now let's say A greater than or equals to B. No. If A is lesser than or equals to B, yes, because here A is 13 and B is 33. So is A smaller than B? So there is one condition, which is this operator is true. So it will give you true. If I change here like A is equals to 33, B is equals to also 33. If I change here like this, it will also give you 2 because it is also equals to 33, 33, both are equal. So it will give us. Next, let's take, so the next is logical operators. So there are three logical operators, that is AND, OR and NOT. So AND is used if we want to check whether both the conditions or statements are true or not. If both are true, it gives you true. So here the two conditions, so here you can see x is greater than 5 and x is greater than 10. So if these both two conditions are true, then it will represent as true. If both are false or one of them is also false, it will represent you false. So that is the condition. But here in OR, if one of these two conditions are satisfied, it will give you true. Not is, if it is true, it will give you false. If it is false, it will give you true. That is the difference. So let's see, let's just sort it out. That is logical operators. So here in logical operators, let's take x is equals to something like 6. Okay. And I want to check x is greater than 5 and x is greater than 1. So x is 6. 6 is greater than 5? Yes. 6 is greater than 1? Yes. So it should give you true. It gave you true. But if I say x is greater than 3, sorry, I'll let it go. So 6 is greater than 9? No. But 6 is greater than 1. So and means both the conditions must be true. But here one condition is false and one condition is true. So it will give you false. So that is AND operator. Let's go to OR. I'm showing you here. So x is same. I'm keeping x is greater than 9 or x is also greater than 1. So here one condition is true, which is this one, and another condition is false. Okay, another condition is false. So what will it will give? It will give true only, because if one condition is also true, it will represent it as true. So it is true. Only one condition must be true in OR, then it will give you as true. Now let's take another which is not. Yeah. So here you can anything. You have to take not. I'm keeping here 5 and okay. So as 6 is greater than 5? Yes. 6 is greater than 1? Yes. So n will be, till this part it will be true. But as we have given it is not, it will give you false. Let's say it have given false. So that is thing. So here if I keep OR and here change the same thing like this. So actually this answer will be true. We have already seen this. So if we give not, it will be shown as false. So these are the logical operators. So let's move to the another operator.